Namaste everyone. Welcome back again after your rest day. I hope all of you are doing good and ready for the new week to start from today. This week is a starting of 8th week plan in our online home fitness series. So if you're excited with me, Rajat Samanta, let's get started. So we are going to start with some warm-up session. You're going to need this jump rope and body weight. So first you start the warm-up with 50 skipping, 50 normal, stable, slow, steady skipping. Once you complete 50 skipping, just make sure that you're keeping the legs wider. From there, go down, keeping the body straight, arms on the floor, walk forward and then go down. Try do 2 push-ups on the floor. Once you complete 2 push-ups, again crawl back to the static position and stand up. So go down, hands on the floor, walk forward, do 2 push-ups, and from there come forward, hands stand straight. You have to complete this 2 warm-up drills for 3 sets of 50 skippings and 10 push-ups. Every time you go, you have to do 2 chest to floor touches and then again come up straight. So you have to do 50 skipping and 10 push-ups into 3 sets for starting warm-up. Once you complete the skipping and push-ups, try the plank hold. Go down on the floor and then from there raise your one hand up and then put it down. Raise your another hand up, put it down. Raise one leg up, put it down. Raise the opposite leg up, put it down. And you have to complete this for 1 minute. 1 minute you have to do this plank and then rest for a minute. Then again you have to do the same for a minute. Do this again 3 sets. Here is your workout for today. What you have to do is you have to complete 20 minutes of max effort of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups and 15 squats. That's the main workout for today, is a 20 minute. So for the first set of exercise is 5 pull-ups. So you need to find a pull-up station at your home so that you can hang up on top of this like this. Chin over the bar or whatever you're pulling up, as I have this facility on top of my terrace. If you're not having this kind of a facility, on the previous weeks I have shown you the towel elevated rowing. You can do it using a towel at your doorstep. Pull-ups. And the second exercise is obviously push-ups. So you need to go down on the floor as a regular push-up and complete 10 reps, going down all the way, coming up all the way. Make sure that you're not sagging your lower back like this. It should be flat like a plank position. From there, make sure that if you want to challenge these push-ups in more advanced position, you can also do it in one arm, right? So there is 10 push-ups. You might do it with one arm, keeping it on the back. You can do this like this. So 5 push-ups on the left arm, then again switch your arm, 5 push-ups on the right arm. Did some push-ups. So again using this heavy weight pack, I'm going down onto my push-up position. From there, I'm touching the floor to my chest and then all the way coming straight. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the last movement is the squats. So simple beginner guys can do the squat as per the body weight. So go down and hips below the knee. Try 15 squats. And the guys who are doing from the more longer days, if you want to make the squats more challenging, what you can do is simple. You can use this weighted bag, wear on your back. So with this bag, you need to go down all the way, hips below the knees, and then do 15 squats. It's very challenging because you're moving faster with a good form. Using this bag on your back makes it more challenging, as you have to push more weight against your body weight, and it becomes really difficult and challenging if you are doing this kind of a 20-minute routine, because you have to move continuously from the pull-up to the push-up to the squats. So choose your options carefully before you start the workout, try both the variation from the pull-up to the push-up to the squat, and maintain your good form, whatever variation you're choosing the form with, right? So all the best for today's workout. Put up your best score.